You won't believe how many runners still train without tracking properly. The surprising truth about Final Surge is that it can completely change how you plan, monitor, and improve your performance. But is it really better than other fitness apps? Let's find out. Final Surge is a training platform designed for runners, cyclists, and triathletes. It helps you build structured workout plans, track progress, and sync data from devices like Garmin, Apple Watch, and Fitbit. The setup process is simple. You create an account, connect your fitness device, and start logging workouts automatically. You can also manually enter runs, intervals, and cross-training sessions. One standout feature is training plans. Final Surge offers free and premium plans created by professional coaches. These plans adjust based on your performance and goals, whether it's a 5K, marathon, or triathlon. Most people get this wrong by thinking Final Surge is only for elite athletes. In reality, beginners benefit the most because it teaches consistency, pacing, and recovery. You see clear data on distance, heart rate, pace, and fatigue levels. The calendar view is extremely useful. You can see upcoming workouts, completed sessions, and missed days in one place. This builds accountability and motivation. Another advantage is coach integration. If you work with a trainer, they can assign workouts, review your data, and give feedback directly inside the app. This is something many generic fitness apps don't offer. The downside is the interface. While functional, it feels more technical than stylish. Some users find it less intuitive compared to apps like Strava or Nike Run Club. Also, advanced features require a paid plan. Free users get basic tracking, but personalized coaching and deeper analytics are locked behind a subscription. In conclusion, Final Surge is a powerful tool for runners who want structured improvement, not just casual tracking. If you are serious about progress, it's one of the best training platforms available today. Subscribe for more honest fitness tech reviews before you download.